Hi, I'm Dr. Nikki Hurcomb from Tulip Tree Dental Care in South Bend, Indiana. I'm here to tell you about Exxion Face today. It's the comfortable, needle-free way to naturally boost your skin's collagen production, elastin production, and hyaluronic acid production by 224%. In this video, I'm going to talk about how Exxion Face is different from other treatments that you might be talking about or you've heard about, and how it can restore a youthful smile and glow to your face. A lot of people ask what Exxion Face is. It's a multi-layered technology. So you have radio frequency and you have ultrasound. What radio frequency and the ultrasound are going to do is going to stimulate collagen, elastin, and more hyaluronic acid. So Exxion Face is going to gently tighten your skin and improve its elasticity. And the hyaluronic acid production by your body is going to increase 224%, which is going to give you a lot more volume and kind of the fullness that everybody has in their 20s, but everybody wants when they're older. The hyaluronic acid production and the increase in elastin and collagen is also going to give you more smooth appearance. So it's going to get rid of those fine lines and wrinkles, especially around the mouth and around the eyes. So the way that Exxion works is the radio frequency heats like the deeper layers of the skin, and it triggers these proteins called heat shock proteins, trigger elastin and collagen and hyaluronic acid production to boost your natural glow and your natural volume. So what the radio frequency does is it heats up your skin, which wakes up your fibroblasts. And what your fibroblasts do is produce more collagen and more elastin and more hyaluronic acid. Imagine your skin as a mattress, and collagen is like the springs that are in your mattress. That after going to bed every single night on that mattress, after a couple of years, it's going to start sagging, right? So if you think about the springs in your mattress as collagen fibers, they're going to start sagging with age. So when you notice that the collagen is sagging and getting weaker, you can't just change the sheets on your mattress, because that's only going to cover up the top. It's not going to get rid of the sagging. What you really need to do is this Exxion Face treatment, which is going to rebuild the collagen. So the springs that are sagging are going to be triggered and they're going to rebuild. So they're going to actually get some new kind of springs in there, and it's going to help rebuild the skin tone. So with Exxion Face, you have RF, which is radio frequency and ultrasound. And that RF energy, precise signal that's going to get your skin's workers back in line. It wakes up the fibroblasts in your skin. And the heat of the RF wakes up the fibroblasts and it gives them like an instruction to start building more collagen. The result of those fibroblasts producing more collagen makes your skin rebuild from the inside out. So rebuilding your skin from the inside out is going to give you tighter skin, smoother skin, more firm skin. As the aging process happens, your body naturally stops producing hyaluronic acid at the levels that it used to in your 20s. Hyaluronic acid acts like a moisture agent, and it can actually hold 1,000 times its weight in water. So that's why when you're younger and you have a lot of hyaluronic acid production from your own body, your skin looks smooth, plump, it looks very like smooth and dewy. So the RF signals with the heat is going to induce fibroblasts to produce more collagen, but it's also going to induce more hyaluronic acid production by your body. What Exxion Face is going to do is it's going to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles in the targeted areas that you choose. So this is very unique to everyone's own face, everyone's own skin type. I personally am going to concentrate around my nose and my mouth and crow's feet to see if we can build some more collagen. So that one line, hopefully I can plump up with some Exxion Face stimulation. Exxion Face is different than fillers and other volumetric, maybe like creams and lotions that you use, because it's inducing your body to produce all of the things that everybody's putting on their faces. So it's actually having your body produce more hyaluronic acid. And the studies have shown it makes your body produce 224% more hyaluronic acid. It's non-invasive, there's no needles, there's no fillers, there's no toxins. It's non-surgical, it's pretty quick, and it's really easy. Exxion Face is for anyone who is noticing early signs of sagging, like jowls going, loss of elasticity of your skin, loss of firmness. You just feel like everything's like drooping a little bit and you want that nice, full, plump, lifted look. That's who Exxion Face is for. So Exxion Face is for anyone who is looking for a non-invasive, non-surgical way to boost collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid production naturally. There's a couple of things you can expect during your treatment from Exxion Face. Sessions for Exxion Face can last anywhere from 20 to 45 minutes, just depending on how many areas you want the applicator on. With Exxion Face, you can resume your normal activities immediately after the treatment. There is absolutely no downtime. The best results that you're going to get from Exxion Face is after several treatments, and you're going to see the final results at about 12 weeks. And it takes 12 weeks to see the full result is because your body needs to heal itself. Now, the results from Exxion Face, after you get at least the 4 treatments and you wait the 12 weeks, they can last up to 12 months. But like anything, you got to keep up with maintenance. Exxion Face is FDA-cleared and clinically tested and very safe. Exxion Face has customizable settings so we can cater it to your face and your skin type. So are you ready for clearer, softer skin? If you're ready for firmer, more voluptuous and dewy skin, give us a call at Tulip Tree Dental Care and we'll get you set up for a consultation.